Welcome to our essential guide on data cleaning and preprocessing, cornerstone practices for unveiling the full potential of your data in analysis and machine learning projects. In the digital age, the quality of your data profoundly influences the success of your analytical efforts and predictive models. Data cleaning, often overlooked, is crucial for rectifying incorrect, incomplete, or irrelevant data, ensuring it's ready for deeper analysis and modeling. Pre-processing techniques transform this data into a machine-friendly format, tackling missing values, encoding categorical data, and scaling features, thus significantly enriching your data analysis and machine learning endeavors. Join us as we explore these techniques in real-world applications, paving the way for robust analytics and models by turning raw data into actionable insights. Diving deeper, we encounter the critical first steps of data cleaning, a process that transforms raw data into a reliable analysis foundation. Through the lens of data cleaning, we confront inconsistencies, missing values, and errors, employing strategies like trimming, filtering, and deduplication to craft clarity from chaos. This segment illuminates how these essential practices lay the groundwork for advanced data preprocessing methods, such as normalization and transformation, preparing our dataset for the intricate algorithms of machine learning. Clean datasets are indispensable, forming the backbone of informed decision-making. Now let us highlight three advanced preprocessing pillars: normalization, transformation, and feature selection. These methods fine-tune our data, ensuring no variable disproportionately influences the analysis due to its scale, unveiling hidden patterns through mathematical adjustments, and selecting only the most impactful features for our model's accuracy and efficiency. This segment demonstrates these techniques' practical applications, illustrating their theoretical concepts through real-world examples. This knowledge is indispensable for preparing our data for sophisticated machine learning models. Preparing our data for machine learning demands meticulous attention to encoding categorical data, handling missing values, and scaling features. Each step, crucial for preserving the integrity of our analysis, ensures that algorithms can interpret our data accurately. Beyond mere tasks, these foundational steps are instrumental in enhancing our model's outcomes. This segment explores how each technique, from encoding to scaling, avoids common pitfalls, transforming data into a repository of insights positioned for advanced analysis and model building. Entering the domain of common pitfalls, we address overfitting, data leakage, and the undervaluation of feature importance. Overfitting tailors models too closely to our dataset, compromising future accuracy, while data leakage distorts performance metrics, and overlooking feature importance can steer analysis astray. Counteracting these reveals the path to integrity-rich data analysis. Next, we explore streamlined tools and software solutions, promising efficiency and groundbreaking insights. Focusing on the software and tools that enrich the data cleaning process, we delve into demonstrations of popular platforms, examining their features and capabilities. The selection of a tool goes beyond its functionalities. It involves matching the tool's strengths with your project's specific needs. Whether preferring open-source libraries for their adaptability or commercial options for their robust interfaces, this overview aids in pinpointing the perfect choice to enhance your data cleaning practices, advancing us toward pristine datasets destined for analysis. Our exploration transitions to a practical exercise: clean and pre-process a dataset, where theory meets application. Follow us as we guide you through identifying errors, performing data cleaning, and applying pre-processing techniques like normalization and feature selection on a real-world dataset. This hands-on approach not only cements our understanding, but also showcases the remarkable transformation of raw data into a refined form, illustrating the profound impact of these processes on data quality and model readiness. Venturing into the advanced techniques of data preprocessing, we embrace practices that transcend basic cleaning. Dimensionality reduction simplifies our datasets, data augmentation enriches with variations, and feature engineering unlocks hidden correlations. This journey through advanced methodologies not only showcases their ability to streamline and enhance computational efficiency, but also underscores the creativity and scientific prowess required to reveal the intricacies within our data. As we culminate our expedition with case studies, Success stories of effective data preprocessing. We learn from seasoned professionals who mastered the art of data transformation. These narratives extend beyond demonstrating effective cleaning. They illuminate the transformational power of preprocessing in realizing impactful insights and robust predictions. They're not merely stories, they are blueprints, emphasizing precision and perseverance in data preprocessing as the backbone of successful projects. Reflecting on our comprehensive journey, from mastering fundamental data cleaning to delving into advanced preprocessing, we've traversed a landscape rich with learning. The true mastery of these domains lies in continuous practice and an ever-curious mindset. As you move forward, remember to revisit these strategies, apply them afresh, and observe their transformative effects on your data projects. This closing note isn't an end, but a milestone in your ongoing quest for data mastery.